Hey, welcome back guys to YouTube channel Dynamic Modeling of the City. Today we are going to use how to use Morpher command. So first what we need to do is make a box. You can adjust the weight and height. And also the segments. And then what you need to do is make one sphere. We are making this sphere because what we need to do is put the sphere in the building and see how the building's windows work with the sphere. So we are putting this side right now, and now what we are going to do is select the building and go to the modifiers and go to the edit modifier, edit poly, yeah, and then go to edit and select the polygons and select it, zoom it out and select the polygons over here. We are selecting okay, we can see over here we have already selected the polygon. That now go to the insert, click on this tab, and what you need to do is by polygon and put add value over here. So as you can see, it is already making the faces. Now it's not good enough, so you can go again and change the sizes. Yeah, this is good enough, I think. So now what you need to do is go to the modifier tool again and go there and delete mesh. So yeah, the mesh will be deleted. You can see over here, you can just zoom it out, so you can see over here the mesh is deleted and it's look like the building with the glass and whole window building. But now there is no thickness in this building, so what we are going to do is now put the shell command. So shell command is usually give the building some of the width of the size. So as you can see, there is some width in the windows. After that, what we are going to do is, this is like looking really squarey, so for this one you can use the turbo smooth. Turbo smooth command is for the they can smooth the whole faces. So as you can see, it's really turn out really well. So for next, what we are going to use is command morpher. That's what we are learning right now. Morpher. Select morpher. Yep. Now you can see there is some windows empty over here, and there are some areas that you can see. Now what we are going to do is, first we have already selected the areas and lines and the window sizes we want to do. Now what we are going to do is capture the current state B1 window, or like W big one. Okay, accepted. Yeah, we have already put the values over here, and from over here you can make changes from here. Now what we are going to do is change the scenario. The morpher command is really good with this changing of the scenario. When do you not know where whichever size window you want to be and which size window will be good enough for your elevation, then you can just go to the morpher command and select as many as window sizes you want and just edit it and render it, and you can see. So you don't need to go through all these troubles to make again and again. In one command you can change many as window sizes you want. So for second window change, you can go to the edit poly, and from edit poly you have to go to the insert, and from over here, this is a really big one, so we can just go to the really close one. Okay, yeah, it's selected. And now go to the turbo smooth morpher, and still we have already selected B1. That's why it's downstairs capture current state is not showing up. So you have to click on second one and go to the capture current state, and yeah, current state B2. Okay, accepted. And yeah, this is all we need to do right now. Now what we are going to do is volume select, and from volume select on over here. Now from volume select, what we are selecting is vertex. So on the parameters we are selecting the vertex, and then what we need to select it by what, so mass object, and which one is the mass object is our sphere. And as you can see on the morpher command, we have already put down the shell, and you can see the effect of the sphere which we are doing. And now for the morpher, what we can do is select a channel, and whichever number or sizes of the channel we want, B1 or B2, you can use it at. And from this, so for today, that's it guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe and like this channel.